Jasmine, get in the picture. Wait, what? Oh, I think it's recording.
It is.
What the heck?
It's recording.
Why? It's tricking me. Alright, well, video time then. We are at Tree Hill. Oh, Sanctuary.
We're at a place.
Sanctuary.
We're at a place.
We're at a place. They got stuff here.
Yeah. Whenever he said hypothetically, would I be mad if he threw me into the woods? I grabbed his camera and said it was coming with me if he did.
No, you're gonna make it sound like I said something bad. What I said was, would he be mad if I threw him into the woods and then just left him there until he was bones? There's Elijah. He's too cool for school. He's too cool to hang with us.
Yep.
Well, I got news for you, Elijah. You
We're too
aren't.
cool.
He's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, and
Well, only if Dad buys Pokemon game for himself.
oh,
You need to buy the Pokemon game for yourself.
Oh,
I already
that-
have one.
and that is fans.
I already spent my own money on one, but you need to spend your money to buy one for yourself.
Hang on, Jasmine's talking. What are you trying to say, Jasmine?
Daddy,
Hey, Jasmine, what are you trying to say?
Daddy.
Go ahead.
Um.
What do you want to talk about? Oh my.
Daddy.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, we're back.
What?
You guys have left us. We can go the other way. Dad, let's go the other way.
This is fun. I didn't even plan on making a video.
Huh?
And yet here we are. What? Doobie doobie doo ah. Oh, dead end. Kind of. Oh no, it curves. No. I don't know.
I just sugar, please.
Alright, so. Alright, here.
Look, this is a crystal from where I keep my money.
Now they know where you keep your money.
A little.
Oh no. Yep, they all know. Now they're gonna take your money.
They know where the money is because it's where the crystal is.
What? If they have a crystal detector, then they can find the money. Or if they have a money detector, they can find the crystal. This could be bad, Jasmine. I can't upload this video.
You don't even know what's in.
Yeah, huh?
Where?
Where is it?
I can't tell you.
It's in your piggy bank. Now they know. What? We're back. Which way should we go here? Good job. We took a left. What?
So, then I get it.
It's not in your room.
I don't know.
You're crazy, baby. This place is fun. So,
That's why we should go get the goat clothes.
yeah. Yeah, we can go look at the goats.
Yeah.
Yay, finally.
Goats are fun.
Yes.
We never found the butterfly garden.
Yeah.
I think it's good.
It's probably too cold.
Yeah.
It's freezing out here. Look, I have on a sweater. Or
So
like
butter is bad.
with long sleeves.
Oh, he has a flight jacket, so it's much warmer.
I'm not wearing it though.
Butterfly.
Jimmy did.
Oh, Jimmy? Yeah. He looks cool.
Yep.
Even though he's got scraggly long hair.
And he doesn't have sunglasses. He's there cool. Now
I
we're
got a
going.
green shirt under this.
I should have been recording sooner, like earlier.
Green and white shirt.
What? Oh,
And we're going to look at the goats. Yeah.
Because I love petting the baby goat.
yeah.
It loves
Dad,
scratch
when they
its
get
head.
tall, I'm gonna bump in that pole.
Dude, you are tall. You're like as tall as I am, almost. I'm 6'1". Yeah, you're as tall as I was when I was a baby.
But Jack's still growing.
What?
Like around 40 years old. He's still growing.
Probably.
Whoa, guys,
What?
I think there's an alligator.
Is there? Oh, there is.
There is.
Yeah. Look at that.
See?
Look, an alligator.
I,
Oh, there it
I
is.
thought
Yep, right there.
I thought it was opened. I thought there was alligators in there.
You want a fish?
Shush. You want to lower it like over here. Show him the owl.
Yeah, there's an owl.
Now, guys, we are gonna look at the owls. I hope you guys can see it because at first I couldn't see it. The owl's really cool. Woo! Woo! Woo!
He's looking at the camera.
Every time I see an owl, I think of Tootsie Roll Pops.
Oh, the ad.
Yeah, the old commercial.
And I see an
Go through
owl.
over here. Because there's a bridge over here. And I can walk across to another enclosure.
Dad,
Also, there's chickens in here.
Yep.
Dad,
Yeah, there's the other enclosure.
Dad, when I see owls, that reminds me of the cleanup game.
Mm-hmm.
Because they have like little owls. Look, here's the kids. That's not the place.
Mm-hmm. Jokes.
Don't worry, it's okay.
Yeah, just don't touch it.